In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see closed tasks in ClickUp. Whether you're a project manager, a team member, or just someone trying to keep track of completed work, knowing how to quickly access closed tasks can be incredibly useful. It helps you review past projects, ensures nothing slips through the cracks, and allows you to measure your team's productivity. Let's dive in and walk through the process step by step. First, let's get started by heading over to the space you're interested in. If you're not already familiar with what a space is in ClickUp, it's essentially a way to organize your projects into neat clusters. Think of it as a folder that contains all related tasks, lists, and documents. You'll find your spaces on the left sidebar. Simply click on the one that contains the tasks you want to review. Next up, once you're in the correct space, there's a handy feature that allows you to filter and view all your closed tasks. You're going to want to click on the Closed option. This button is typically located at the top of your task list view. Once clicked, it filters your visible tasks to show only those that have been marked as completed. It's a straightforward and efficient way to bring up the completed tasks so you can scan through them easily. While exploring your closed tasks, you can review valuable insights such as who completed each task, when it was finished, and any relevant comments or attachments. This is particularly useful for conducting retrospective meetings, quality checks, or simply answering questions about past work. And there you have it, a simple and easy way to access your closed tasks in ClickUp. By regularly checking your closed tasks, you ensure that you have a clear gauge of your team's accomplishments and overall progress. It's a small habit, but one that can greatly enhance the way you manage projects and collaborate within your team. If you want to dig deeper or customize your views even more, consider exploring the advanced filtering options that ClickUp offers, like filtering by date or by specific team members. Hopefully, this guide has been helpful and has shed some light on how to make the most of ClickUp's features. Remember, the more you integrate these practices into your workflow, the more you'll find ClickUp to be an invaluable tool for productivity. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope this tutorial makes managing your projects just a little bit easier. Happy task managing.